My name is Adam. I want to tell you a simple story from my life. For a long time, I felt impatient. I wanted everything fast. Fast success, fast happiness, fast results. If something was slow, I felt angry. If something was hard, I wanted to stop. One day, I moved to a small house with a garden. The garden was empty, just dry soil and stones. One morning, my neighbor gave me a small plant. It was very small and weak. He said, "Take care of it. Be patient." I smiled, but inside I thought, it's just a plant. How hard can it be? I planted it in the ground. The next day, I looked at it. Nothing changed. After 1 week, still nothing. No flowers, no growth. I felt disappointed. I said to myself, this plant is useless. I stopped caring. I did not water it every day. I forgot about it. One afternoon, I saw my neighbor. He asked me, "How is the plant?" I felt embarrassed. I said, "It's not growing." He smiled and said, "Growth is slow. You can't see it every day, but it is happening." That night, I thought about his words, about the plant, about my life. I realized something important. I was the same as that plant. I wanted to grow, but I was not patient. I wanted change, but I gave up too fast. The next morning, I decided to try again. I watered the plant. I cleaned the soil. I gave it sunlight. Every day, I did the same thing. No rush, no anger. Days passed. Weeks passed. One morning, I saw something green, a small leaf. I smiled, not because of the plant, but because of what I learned. Growth takes time. Real change is slow, but it is real. Now, when things in my life feel slow, I remember the small plant. I stay patient. I keep going. Because small steps done every day create real growth.